For all my XRP fans and traders out there, I've got to do a quick update what I'm seeing going on shorter term, especially since we're starting to head into the weekend and this has more of a chance to play out. Road Dog Crypto. First thing I want to do is take our target line here from 56 cents. I want to lower it to the very top of this wick to around 55, just a little under 56 cents there. But what I'm seeing forming here, one is that we do have a weakening trend. So chances are we'll come up to this target and possibly face a rejection. The biggest thing that is making me think that is watching this RSI. Okay, so currently RSI is going down and price is about level. We're starting to make some bearish divergence here. Now, as this price level comes up here and we start getting these candle closes up here toward the 55 cent area, we'll be looking at some very possible bearish divergence here. Now, the RSI should raise up a little bit here, but we're still going to have that tilt there. Let me throw up our little bearish divergence chart here. You'll see that as the right-hand side of this bow tie, the top part starts going up, and that represents this line right here at the top of the price section. And over here, you'll see the bottom part of the bow tie. That represents this RSI, our indicators right here. We're also seeing that kind of form here on the histogram on the MACD, because when that comes up, that will also be a bearish divergence there. So that's just to give you a foresight. If some of you guys are trading, this might be an area up here at the top of this wick, because the old saying is what gets wicked gets candlesticked. So right around 55.5 cents, you might want to consider taking some profit, as that we can very well possibly get rejected there, not for long term, and come back down. Now, the good thing we got going for us is that on the daily, we've got our 200 moving average right here, which is curving up. So if you're trying to get back in, that would be an excellent mark, is to watch this 200-day moving average as a point to either short and take profit, or to sell and just wait and come back in right around 48 cents. Keep that in mind. Now, I'll keep you posted just in case I see things go further down from there, because it is a possibility that we could come back down and retest this 618 Fibonacci area around 41.5 cents. But what we want to see is a bounce from this 200-day moving average. And that'll be a very positive sign that XRP has some more potential to make it up, possibly to our next target point at 62.5 cents. Now, of course, all altcoins heavily depend on Bitcoin's price action. And this is a pattern that I've been watching for quite a while now, is this possible diamond bottom pattern that is forming on Bitcoin. And the recent price action has kind of filled this out more, which I'm very confident in saying that I do believe that this pattern has formed. Now, this one has a good chance of breaking up to the upside, and everybody's a little bit scared with the drop that we have today, and that's helping us to form some bearish divergence on some of the other coins and everything for a little bit of a drop. But as long as Bitcoin can hold this trend line right here, and we should be seeing a breakout of this area right here, this trend line. I'll straighten out this red one to make it look a little bit more accurate right there, although my overall trend line right here is filling that in very well. But this line and this line are basically parallel. So if we see a break upward from here, things would possibly be looking better for Bitcoin, because this big Ichimoku cloud is what we usually go up to. So if Bitcoin is starting to pull back up, we can definitely expect some altcoins to start showing some better signs here. But Bitcoin is showing a red dot on the daily. So, we may get may come back and test this bottom area. We may break below it. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But coming back to the XRP chart here on the daily, we did do very nicely right here of bouncing back off of this trend line and going back to the upside. So this trend line still is in play, and we'll go ahead and extend that, because these are some possible areas other than this 200-day moving average that we could find some possible bounce points, but they are coming in right around 46, 47, 48 cents right through there. So guys, just keep your eyes out. Like I said, the weekend is coming. Things get kind of volatile. It's kind of just a Wild West wild card weekend, and especially around Sunday, because that's usually when we start seeing market makers and whales just coming in and manipulate the price a little bit, getting ready for the next week on Monday. So trade cautiously, invest wisely, try to pick this up at the best possible places if you're continuing to add to your bag. Until next time, my name is Lane, your crypto road dog, keeping you informed and reminding you that you've got this.
For those of you who hit that like button down below, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.